Hi, library friends. Miss Mandy here. Now, typically on Monday mornings, we do sensory story time. So I thought it would be fun if this morning we made bubble foam together using ingredients that we can just find around the house. And it has the added bonus of being made from soap, so it's a really good opportunity for us to keep our hands clean. You can use a variety of things to make your bubble foam. You could use a hand mixer and a bowl. You could use a food processor. I'm going to make mine in the blender. Going to make my bubble foam with dish soap. But I've seen other recipes use tear-free shampoo and bubble bath. So feel free to experiment and find the recipe that works best for you. All right, so I'm going to start by measuring out 2 tablespoons of dish soap. So I added my 2 tablespoons of dish soap. The next thing I'm going to do is add 2/3 of a cup of warm water. Now, the great thing about kitchen science activities like this is they are a great opportunity for us to talk about math and chemistry. So I want my foam to be a beautiful color. I'm going to use a few drops of blue food coloring. If you would prefer to use something that doesn't stain and you have liquid watercolors around the house, they will work too. Gel food coloring, I would recommend using only 1 to 2 drops. I'm using liquid food coloring, so I'm going to use 4 to 5 drops in my foam. All right, so my foam is all blended and it's ready to be used. I'm going to use a spatula and put it out on a baking sheet. Now, what's really fun is you can make several different batches and have rainbow foam on your baking sheet. You could even add a few drops of essential oil in here to have a multisensory experience. So there are a lot of fun things that you can do with this soap bubble foam, and it'll really encourage hand washing as well. So thank you for joining me. I'll have a lot more how-to videos for us. Have a wonderful day.